Uszeucom review is legit or scam. Uszeucom review is legit or scam. If you've come across Uszeucom online, you might be wondering if it's a trustworthy e-commerce platform or just another scam. Most people get this wrong by assuming that a professional-looking website automatically means it's safe. The surprising truth is that Uszeucom has raised multiple red flags when it comes to reliability and customer satisfaction. You won't believe what happens next. While the site promises a wide range of affordable products, customer reviews are scarce and often negative. Complaints include delayed shipping, products not matching the descriptions, and difficulty obtaining refunds. Some users have even reported that their orders never arrived at all. The website lacks proper contact information and clear return policies, which are critical indicators of a legitimate online store. Secure payment options are present, but that alone does not guarantee safety. If you're considering purchasing from Uszeucom, it's important to proceed with extreme caution and test with small orders first. In conclusion, Uszeucom leans more toward being a risky platform rather than a reliable e-commerce site. While it may deliver some products, the inconsistent customer experiences and lack of transparency make it questionable. For safer shopping, prioritize well-known retailers with verified customer reviews and clear policies.